All right, what's going on, everybody? Keybeard back in the lock shed today, and we're going to be picking open my very own challenge lock. Do you have the skill, man? Do I have the skill? Um, I'm going to be picking this open and doing a nice gutting, and we'll see what's in there. If you watched my latest episode or video, which was 33 minutes long, if you stuck around that long, congratulations. I know it's a long one. It's a complete video of how I made this. It does still work nicely. And we're going to pick it open. So we'll go ahead and vise it up. There we go. And then I will try to discuss what is going on inside of it with what the pins I put in there. So if you don't remember, or if you didn't watch the video, this is the key. So I have like a spool here, a T-pin, some weird crazy stuff. So let's get her open. It's got a nice open keyway, so I can use actually like a 25 thousandths deep hook from Sparrows. Works nicely, and it does have a little bit of flop in the beginning, even though I did put a standard in the back, but just enough to get us into a nice start. So let's begin. Okay, first of all, it looks like pin 5 is the binder right now. There we go. And then looks like 2. Nice click and nice false set. Feels like 2 still. Okay. There's 3. No, maybe not. Yep, drop 5. There we go. And I think that's 3. Somewhere. No. There we go. Nice click on 2 still. Maybe I gotta keep doing 2 a little bit more. There we go. Nice false set going on right now. Three. Okay, I got 3 set, but I think I dropped something. Or might have overset it. I think I overset 3. Oh no, I'm getting some stuff. Oh, maybe not. Now we're gonna release a little bit. See if I dropped it. Doesn't feel like I did yet. All right, back to 5. 2. Nice, good crunches. Nice false set. Anything else? Nope. Feels like 3. That was 3 again. 5. I haven't even touched 4, I don't think. Nice false set. Deep false set. And let's take a look at 1. 1 is a nice high cut. I think I got it. 3. That might have been 4. Back on 1. That really deep high cut here. There it is. That isn't open. I'm hitting the tailpiece. But here we got ourselves an open. All right. Let's take a look inside of it. And I'll show you guys the guts again. Yep. I do have the key, so I can relock. It is open. So I'm going to relock it here. And then we're going to show you what's inside of it. All right. It's a pretty good challenge lock. It's not a very difficult one. But it'll be a fun one for people. You know, when I built this one, I wasn't trying to like make it near impossible or anything like that. I wasn't throwing my best stuff in there. I was just doing a quick how do you make pins kind of deal. There we go. And follower. Get that in there. There we go. All right, you can already see what I got going on. Number 3, I had a T-pin in it. And then I do have some threading, which I'll show. There we go. So in the core, I do have threading in 1 and 3, which are really nice for grabbing. Grabbing those sharp serrateds that I made here on the key pins. All right, let's got the inside starting on chamber 1. There we go. Chamber 1, and then we have a copper spring. Chamber 2, oops, lost him. Come on out, buddy. Well, there's a copper spring in there, but he's not coming out. There we go. Come on out. There we go. Chamber 3. If you watched my building video, you'll know chamber 3 has a very strong spring inside of it, while the rest all have coppers. Back down here to 5. Oops. That's my standard. That was my gatekeeper. And last but not least, number 4. Keep dropping them all. There we go. There we go. There we go. And inside here, I threaded 2, 4, and 5. Just to get a little opposite direction of the core. So on the core, I did 1 and 3, and then on the Bible, I did 2, 4, and 5. Very, very fun. All right, let's take a look at these pins. All right, here you can see I made like a serrated, like a nice rounded spool, a little T-pin action with some serrations, just a random like weird cut kind of thing with some serrated top. Another small slight spool with a little serrated fun. There's my standard gatekeeper, a little T-pin with some serrations. I guess you'd call it like a torpedo with a serrated bottom. Just a basic serrated pin and a spool with serrations inside of it. All right, guys, there is my challenge lock. The Do You Have the SKILLMAN? It will be put out into the world here shortly. And that's it. That's my challenge lock. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please, 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 please don't forget to like and subscribe. This is what keeps me going, guys. Oh, no. Well, actually, it's the love of the locks. The love of the locks, guys. The love of the locks keeps me going. Sorry about that. Anyway, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please leave a comment or put a like on there. Get your friends to subscribe to me. It'd be awesome. And happy picking, everybody.